Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Wrath of Celestials game crashing, not launching, not opening, lagging, freezing or other issues on Android devices. So the very first method, what you need to do is to check your internet connection. So make sure your internet connection is stable and not fluctuating. If so, then you should change to Wi-Fi if you are using mobile data, or do vice versa, and then check if the problem is resolved. If not, next is to force stop the game. For that, click and hold the game icon over here. Now go to the app info. Now here you can see force stop, click on OK, and then after this try to launch the game and see if it's opening or not. If not, then you should clear the cache of the game. For that, click on storage and cache option. Now click on clear cache, and after that check if you can play the game. If not, you should check if any update is available. For that, go to Google Play Store and you can check if any update is there. So after going to Google Play Store, search for the game, and here wherever you can see the play option, here there will be a update option. So simply update your game to the latest version, and after that launch the game and see if this resolves the problem. If not, you should also check whether your phone needs any kind of update. For that, go to settings. Now go below, and here you have to click on system update. Now check if any update is there. You have to update your device OS to the latest version, and then check if the problem is fixed. After doing all these methods, you have to restart your phone once, and so for that, press the power plus volume up button, and now click on restart. Now after your phone restarts, try to launch the game and check if this resolves the problem. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall Wrath of Celestial games. For that, press and hold the game icon over here. Now click on uninstall and then click on uninstall option. So after uninstalling the game, then go to Google Play Store, and after that search for the game and click on install option, and then again launch the game and see if you can play it without any kind of issues or errors. So I hope you liked the video. Thank you.